Good afternoon to all of you. In this video, I'm going to explain about electronics devices and circuit. Okay. So the first topic is electronics. What is electronics? And the second one is what are electronics devices? The third one is what are electrical devices? And the fourth one is comparison between electronics devices and electrical devices. And the last one is similarities between both these devices. Okay. So what are the need of these all these topics? uh, Even when a student passed out from diploma, they even don't know about what are electronics devices, their main difference between them. So from this video you will get about electronics devices and electrical devices, or their main difference between these two devices. Okay. So our first topic is what is electronics. Okay. So electronics is nothing, it is just a branch of science. Okay. This is a branch of science that deals with the device and circuit that operate by controlling of flow of electrons and electrically charged particle. It means electronics is a device which is used controlling of flow of electron. It means in electronics controlling of flow of electrons is used for operating any devices. Okay. Now the second one is what are electronics devices. Electronics devices are the devices that perform the particular task by controlling the flow of electrons. Okay. So electronics devices are nothing, are those devices which perform a particular task. Okay. So particular task by controlling the flow of electrons. Okay. These two are the devices of electronics. So diode is mainly used as a switch. Okay. Diode has particular task of a switch. Okay. Transistor is also work as an amplifier. These are the examples of electronics devices. Okay. Now come to the third one. What are electrical devices? So in electronics devices, the particular task performed by the devices is controlling by the flow of electrons, but in electrical devices the particular task is performed by flow of electrons only. It means here we cannot control the flow of electrons. Okay. Now the next one is electrical devices are those devices which will change from one form of energy to another form of energy. It means in electrical devices only the form of energy is changed from the another form of energy. Okay. Now come to the fourth one, that is comparison between electrical devices and electronics devices. So these are the comparison table of electrical devices and electronics devices. Basic of comparisons means, according to definition, the electrical devices and electronics devices are defined as follows. Uh, Electrical device are the device which uses electrical energy for performing the task. Okay. And in electronics device, the device which control the flow of electrons for performing the particular task. It means here we cannot control the flow of electrons, and here we can control the flow of electrons for performing the particular task. Okay. Now come to the second one, material used. What material used in electrical devices? So the metal like copper, aluminum are used for conducting or conduction of current. Here the conduction of current is used by the material copper and aluminum. Okay. But in electronics devices, the semiconductor material used like silicon and germanium. Okay. Now come to the third one, operating principle. Which principle electrical and electronics devices are work? Okay. So the operating principle of electrical devices are convert the electrical energy into another form of energy. It means here one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Okay. And now come to the electronics devices. Its operating principle is it use the electrical energy for performing a particular task or flow of electrons to perform a particular task. Now fourth one is current. Here we use mostly AC current. AC means alternating current, and in electronics devices we use mostly DC current. In both AC or DC both used, but in electrical devices AC current is mostly used, and in electronics devices DC current is mostly used. Okay. Now come to the fifth one, voltage. So in electrical devices high voltage is used, and in electronics devices there is low voltage. Okay, now power consumption. So in electrical devices power consumption is more as compared to electronics devices. Okay, now come to the next one, required space. So the space required for electrical devices is more as comparison to electronics devices. Now the next one is safe. Which devices is more safe? Okay, so electrical devices are less safe than the electronics devices. It means electronics devices is more safe as comparison to electrical devices. Okay, now come to the 10th one, uses, where we use electrical devices and electronics devices. So for mechanical work we use electrical devices. For doing mechanical work we use electrical devices, or in electronics devices we will basically used for amplifying the weak signal or for coding or decoding information. It means in electronics devices we use basically for amplifying the weak signal or for coding or decoding information. Okay, now come to the examples of last now come to the last one, that is examples of electrical and electronics, okay, devices. So for electrical devices the mostly used example is motor and generator. Okay, and electronics devices, transistor, diode, microprocessor and flip flop, etc. So these are the examples of electrical and electronics devices. So now come to the next one, similarities between electrical and electronics devices. Previously we have studied that we have read that electrical and electronics devices both are performs their particular task by the flow of electrons, but in electrical we cannot control the flow of electrons, and electronics we can control the flow of electrons. So both devices are work on flow of electrons or because of flow of electrons. Okay, so the first point is both devices are work because of flow of electrons. Means without flow of electrons we cannot work our electrical and electronics devices. Okay, now the second one is in rectifier circuit. So rectifier circuit basically used in electronics device which is made up of diode. Okay, so a rectifier circuit initially start with a transformer. Okay, so in both electrical and electronics devices the first circuit start with the transformer. So in both devices transformer is used as a starting purpose. Okay, so initially transformer used to run the rectifier circuit. Both devices are operate or start after transformer. So it is not applicable for all electronics devices. This is only for rectifier circuit, but these are the similarities between electrical and electronics devices. So I hope you all are now clear about electrical and electronics devices. Okay, so from next class we will discuss about our syllabus, our chapter. We will go through our chapter number 1, that is semiconductor diode. So that is all for today. I hope you all clear about these topics. Thank you all of you.